Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So as you know, in my recent videos I've talked a lot about Socialbook. And why? Because this one tool carrying too many features. Like if you notice in my previous videos where I talk about how you can make NFT portraits from any picture, make avatars, then you can also able to promote affiliate recipe offers through this link one feature. Without having any type of website, you can promote NFTs. Now here in this video we will talk about two more features from Socialbook what you can use for free. And the first tool I'm going to talk about, it will help mostly to the video creator, where they are able to remove unnecessary objects from video with one click. They are able to remove video backgrounds. Now you know that you can do it over softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects. There's some big softwares what you can use to do the same thing, but in this Socialbook tool you can just remove any video background with just one click. So it will really help to the creators to make the video fast. And the best part is they can also provide service in Fiverr, make gigs like this, that they can remove video background and they can charge from Fiverr services like $5 to $10. Now let's talk about the second tool or feature, what is a tool for YouTube. Yes, a YouTube growth tool what will help you to grow in a YouTube channel. Now if you're a beginner, it will help you a lot. Now from here you will get tag management, suggestion, and you can get and alerts, compare, analyze, and many more. So let's see. At first you need to go for growth tool, and then from here you need to select YouTube Builder. Click on install Socialbook YouTube Builder and it will take you to the Google Chrome Web Store, and here you need to add that extension to your Chrome browser. After you add that extension to your browser, then you need to go over your YouTube Studio, and from here you need to connect your YouTube account to their app. Just click on any option, computer or trend, and then it will pop up a new window where you need to connect your account to their software, and then it will help you to more analyze the data from YouTube. Now here in this studio you will notice at the top right corner up there's an icon for Socialbook. So just select that and you will see some YouTube shortcuts and the other features of that tool, like tag management, keyword explorer, and tracking list. We'll see later how this is going to work. While we upload any video, we can see that we are able to make thumbnails with the help of this tool. You can see there's a lot of ready-made templates and elements we can use to make our own thumbnail. And then if we go a little down, and here we can see some recommended tags what we can use, and you can see the search volume of the tags from where it's going to trend and the countries, and some other keyword suggestions here you can see, and the relevant keyword videos, so this is going to help a lot. But the problem is we can get only 3 suggestions for the free account, but you can add multiple keywords here and one by one get search keywords for each search volume for each keywords like this. Okay, now go for the next options what are available here for us, that is competitor or trend alert. You can select any of them and you will see that as it is our new account, we need to select any name for creating our competitor list. You can make as many as you want for your competitor list. And now here select category, choose your subscriber range, your country, and type the keyword related to your channel, and you will see the recommendation of your competitors, and you can list them and you can compare your targets, and you can see their all-time views, videos, daily views, and how many viewers or subscribers they are getting each days or each week, each month. You can analyze all of the data. You can also set trend alert from your competitors when they upload any type of video related to your keyword, and it will give you a notification about that video, and you can make your own video related to that. So this is a very cool feature you can use to grow your channel. And also, if you want to analyze individual creators, YouTube creators from that Socialbook tool, so you can go over the tool and search for the particular creator, and you will see the all data, so like their performance, how many likes and comments they are getting in each of their video, how many people from each country or location they get. You will see related channel suggestion from them and their top tags and their video growth when they upload video. Almost all data of their YouTube channel you will see. Okay, now here is another tool you can use if you are promoting any brand deals and you want to collaborate with any influencer in Instagram or in YouTube. You can go over their influencer tab and search for the particular product or topic, and you will see a lot of creators who are influencer, and you can contact them via this tool after analyzing their data. Okay, so this is also going to help a lot to collaborate and influence marketing. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video, and share and comment for more.